Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox to load faster. First, let's optimize your network. A stable internet connection is crucial. Consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more consistent experience. Also, make sure to close any applications that might be hogging your bandwidth, like streaming services or large downloads. This simple step can significantly reduce initial loading times and improve overall responsiveness. Next, let's dive into your in-game settings. Reducing your Roblox graphics quality is one of the most effective ways to speed up loading. You can typically find this option in the game's settings menu. Try setting it to a lower level, perhaps 2 or 3 notches down from maximum. Disabling complex visual effects and reducing the render distance will also lighten the load, making your games start much quicker. Now, let's focus on your device's performance. Before launching Roblox, close any applications or browser tabs you aren't actively using. These can consume valuable system resources. Regularly clearing your device's temporary files and the Roblox cache can also prevent slowdowns. Furthermore, always ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions for optimal compatibility and speed. Finally, if you're still experiencing slow loading, consider some client-specific solutions. A fresh reinstallation of the Roblox client can often fix corrupted files that might be causing issues. Always check for the latest Roblox client updates, as these often include performance enhancements. If you launch Roblox through a web browser, trying a different one, like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, might also improve your loading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.